Holy crap. What the heck? Downey, over there, Downey. In the living room. Oh my God, this is gonna be crazy.
Chains. The answer's always very clear.
Downey, what are you doing?
Look at Dada. We're leaving. With the whole mess in the background. Come on.
It's okay. It's a bunch of toys.
No, you gotta do it by yourself. Yeah, Daddy's not gonna help you. Let's go.
Come on. Hi.
No, let's go. Come on. I'm going downstairs too. Bye, Cece. Come on. We gotta go. Yeah, we gotta go.
All right, have a good day, school. I love you, darling. What's going on, guys? We're heading into the garage. Gonna try to get some music started and just help the family get out the door. It is around like 8:15 on Tuesday morning here in January. I almost dropped the camera. I almost called the camera a phone, and it's not, it's a camera. But yeah, so today we are getting ready real quick this morning. Less than an hour, we're gonna try to do a chest, upper body chest workout. So, went to bed a little early last night because I wanted to try to get up and work on this today. And I didn't want to I wanted to get up earlier, like 5 a.m. But for whatever reason, my phone is acting weird. Like my iPhone, for some reason, the alarm doesn't go off, or if it does, I click it. I don't know, something's going on. I got to change that somehow. But suffice to say, yeah, we're out here in the garage. We're gonna get this started, and I'm gonna show you guys a workout. It's pretty much a stable workout, kind of like a lot of the other ones you've seen, except for I'm pushing the envelope now more and more as we head into this year because I'm eating more calories and I have the expendable energy. So, so things are gonna start progressing and heading in a certain direction. So I'm going to play some music. I already turned this puppy on. The UE Boom. We're gonna do AC/DC. So this ought to be a good time. Nope. Gonna do Black Sabbath instead. So this is gonna be an even better time. All right, we just finished doing the bar. Now we're gonna put 25 pounds on the bar. So we're going for 70 pounds. That's our 50% of the 140. Like I told you guys before, I'm upping the weight by 5 pounds. So basically every time I go to lift, I'm gonna try to up the weight. I'm heading into a surplus, so I'm gonna have the expendable energy. So hopefully, progressive overload, along with enough nutrition, should allow me to start getting stronger, and I should start packing on more muscle. So hopefully everything is going in the right direction. We'll see. All right. We're gonna move on to 60%. I'm not gonna record that, but we'll record 70. All right, guys. This is the 70%. We're going 4 reps. Set 1, working set, flat bench, 140, so we're doing 5 pounds more. So yeah, so we're gonna go for 4 to 6 reps, probably like 4 reps, 4 or 5 reps. Alright, so today we're gonna grab the 65s for flat bench. I'm upping the weight by 5 pounds on each side just because I'm feeling like I can do it, so we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. Guys, just finished the workout and we're gonna put a scoop of recharge post-workout shake. That's my creatine, and I've been trying to tell you guys this, but it's also got some calcium, L-carnitine, and cortisolic acid in it. So a few other things, but that's primarily it. And this is the fruit punch flavor. So I'm gonna put that in this shaker bottle, and then we're gonna take that with us in the car, drink that on the way to work. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the car. Well guys, the battery's about to die on the camera. I'm sitting here in the Subaru, getting ready to pick up my daughter from daycare. I'm gonna go get $20 worth of Powerball tickets, not because I'm a big lottery person, but my family and I kind of have this thing going on with some of the rest of our family. So we're just buying into it, and we're gonna do that. And I got one going on at work too. So Friday, when I don't have to work anymore, y'all know what's up. Or maybe I'm just not gonna show anyone this footage ever. All right guys, I literally have no clue how this happened. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I've got my stuff sitting out over here on the counter. I'm taking the trash out, and literally a bird flies in the fucking house right now. I saw the bird go down here. Yeah, see, he's down there on the floor. Holy crap! What the heck? Downey, over there, Downey. In the living room. Oh my god, this is gonna be crazy. This is the last week that I'm gonna maintain my regular schedule, which involves doing cardio every other day. The car just kind of figured out with my phone what it's gonna do. It's gonna play some Pandora. At any rate, on the way to the gym, I'm gonna do cardio and abs, and starting this weekend, we're gonna go into like a 5-day split routine, and we're gonna try to do 1 day of cardio on the weekends, or 1 day of cardio during the week at some point, and the rest of the time we're gonna do a split.